Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Wireshark 4.6.6 on Windows operating systems. Okay, first go to Wireshark official website. It is wireshark.wars. See here, it is the world's leading network protocol analyzer. Click on download. See, the latest stable release is 4.6.6. Click on Windows x64 install. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 98 megabytes. See, download completed. Now click on the CXE file. Click on next. This is license agreement. Click on this noted. Do you use Wireshark personally? Click on next. See, these are the components that we have to select. By default, it has selected Wireshark and T-Shark. If you want to select these external capture tools, just select the checkbox. It will select all, or individually you can select or unselect any one of these. Then click on next. Create shortcuts. Then click on next. This is the installation directory. If you want some other, you can select by clicking on this browse and select the path. Okay, this default one. Click on next. If you want to install Npcap, USB capture, next. This is the license agreement for Npcap. Select I agree. Install. This is the license agreement for USB cap. Installation is completed. Click on next. Reboot now. I don't want. I will reboot later. Select I want to manually reboot later. Then click on finish. Now go to all applications. Then go to the bottom. See here we have the Wireshark. Click on it to open. See, you got the Wireshark and the version is help about Wireshark. See, we have installed 4.6.6. It is the latest version, latest stable release at the time of making this video. We want to capture the packets. Select any one of these and we have to click on this start capturing packets. You can go through the documentation and you can practice. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Wireshark latest stable release, that is 4.6.6 on Windows operating systems. Either it may be 10, 11 or servers. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.